Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy garlic lime chicken skillet. This is a really simple way to make chicken, and it sure packs a punch of flavor. To start, we'll need to make a little seasoning mix. You'll need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give this a quick mix. Then we're going to sprinkle this over 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you can also use chicken breasts if you like that better. You'll want to season them generously on both sides. Now, depending on the size of your chicken thighs, you may need to double the spice mix because, chickens do vary in size. Next, we're going to head on over to the stove and get our skillet heating over high heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Get the butter all melted and then reduce the heat to medium. Then we're going to add in our chicken thighs and get them cooking. Chicken thighs need to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can always use a meat thermometer to ensure 100% accuracy. After 4 to 5 minutes, you'll want to flip it and cook the other side for 4 to 5 minutes as well. Now, I promised garlic lime chicken, so the last thing you need to do is add in the juice of 2 limes, or about 4 tablespoons. Drizzle it over the chicken, and then also add in 4 cloves, or 5, of crushed garlic in an open spot and get that sauteing real quick. Move the garlic around and get it cooking in the pan. It only needs about a minute to cook, so then you'll turn off the heat and then spoon the juices right over the top of each chicken thigh. Toss a few lime wedges or slices in there to make it pretty, and you are ready to eat. I also like to top it off with a little bit of freshly chopped cilantro for a little more color as well. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.